we're going to be discussing the eviction process here in the state of Florida. As a general disclaimer, this process is going to be specific to the lease that you currently have in place for your tenant or any future tenants that you may have. The first step of the process will be the 3-day notice. This 3-day notice is issued after the tenant fails to pay rent during the allotted time or after the grace period. That provides for a 3-day notice, not including weekends or holidays. Usually during this 3-day notice period, you'll hear from the tenant either letting you know that they're going to pay before the 3-day period is over, or they'll attempt to make some type of payment arrangement with you. So it's important to keep that in mind whenever you're discussing future payment plans, et cetera, with the tenant. If you haven't heard from your tenant by the time the 3-day notice expires, there's a good chance that this is going to become a non-paying tenant, meaning that you got to move into the next step of the process, which is either to file an eviction with the court system, or one of the steps that we usually take here at Belmont is offer voluntary vacancy of the property. I know this sounds kind of unusual, but remember that the main goal that you should have in mind is to regain possession of the property as soon as possible. Remember that time is money. If the tenant is not willing to vacate the property and pushes back on this idea, then at that point you can move forward with the eviction through the court system. Once you send the documents to the court, including the 3-day notice, a copy of the lease, as well as a breakdown of any charges that are due, it's going to take between 15 and 20 days in order for the court to process and issue a final eviction judgment on the tenant. This is obviously going to depend on the court, on the county, the judge that handles the case, whether the tenant pushes back and fights the eviction, but for the most part, that will be the time period that you'll be looking at. So in essence, you'll be looking from start to finish, somewhere between 20 and 25 days for the eviction of a tenant in the event that you're not able to get them to vacate on a voluntary basis. In short, the 3 steps that you need to follow when you have a non-paying tenant are the following. First, you got to issue a 3-day notice. Usually the tenant's paid during that time. Once the 3-day notice expires, you got to make a decision whether you're going to file an eviction with the court or if you want to offer the tenant a voluntary option to vacate the property as soon as possible. Always keep in mind that having possession of the property should be your #1 focus. Thank you very much for watching. For more information, feel free to call our office, 407-745-0696. Visit our website, belmontmanagementgroup.com. My name is Raul Veitia. Hope to hear from you soon.